What's up guys, it's Axel Rodriguez back with Leon Foundation Repair. Today we're back at this one project in the Heights. We have a video on it from like a week or two ago. We raised this house 3.7 feet in the air. As you can see, the house is already up. Right now that it's up, we're just doing the concrete pads, which were poured last week, and we're doing the column stations on top of it. The reason for the process and why it's taking so long is every step has an inspection that needs to be processed through the city of Houston. So let's take a look at what's going on so far and why we're doing it this way than our traditional house raising, where it has spread footings all around and under the house, and this one has 24 by 24 by 18-inch concrete pads that we custom made for this house. So as you can see right here, we're doing these column stations, and the pads that we poured are 24 by 24 and by 18. I gotta look exactly at the plans, but instead of regular concrete footings on this house, we ended up doing the pads because it's a smaller house, it's not heavy at all, and it's much easier to work with this in areas like where there's minimal space, where we can have huge cement trucks outside. So we do this. Obviously all this is engineered. Our engineering team takes a look at this, and they plan it out, and they give us a green light to be able to do this. The concrete columns that we're pouring right now have the regular pilaster blocks. We're putting rebar at the top. We're gonna be picking the block all the way up to the beam, and we're gonna use Samson strong ties to wrap it around so we can actually keep this house from flying away or falling off, so we can stay put on the columns that we're building for the house. And as you can see, all the floor joists and everything in the house, like we mentioned in the last video, the homeowner took it upon themselves, because when they bought the house, they were like, okay, let's just rebuild the foundation. And so they did. They did all the brand new beams, brand new floor joists, brand new subfloor, but obviously the upstairs structure is completely gutted out. You can see the wood and everything it's brand spanking new. Everything looks really nice right here. They made it so much easier for us, because when we raise a house that's low to the ground like this one was, one of the main problems that happens is that if wood rot is huge under the house, there's a lot of it, if we put our pistons under the house to pick it up, man, if it's rotten, that piston's gonna go right through the beam or the floor joist and just destroy it. This made the process of doing this much better for us, and it also gave them like a little wiggle room on the price and how much we can do it for, just because we didn't have to invest any time or money and effort on rebuilding the foundation ourselves. So all the floor joists and everything, like I mentioned, is brand new on this house. Mind you, we didn't cause this mess. It was already here because the homeowner bought it and they're rehabbing it right now. So all these old blocks and everything is getting replaced with new column station, new blocks, new concrete pads. Pretty much the whole steps to get this job done from where we started to now. It's about 3 weeks out already. We had to let the pads, we let them cure for like a week and a half. Right now we're just on our last day, which is the column stations, and once we're done with that, that's it for us here at the project. So we're gonna fast forward to a couple of days from now when the house is completely done. So take a look at the completed project right now. Well guys, that's wraps. Here you go. The completed project of this just got done yesterday. I think it was probably like around 7 p.m. Take a look at all the columns and everything that's completed. If you are interested in raising your house, if you're in a flood zone A, AE, any flood zone that you're in, or you're just running to raise the house for just personal reasons, give us a call at 832-398-6280 and Leon will take care of you.